Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own custom equalizer preset. So as you can see, now we are in the JBL PartyBox application and now I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own preset. And first we have to scroll down to the equalizer and we have to slide to the custom one. Let's tap on that and now we have our preset. We can set the frequencies, as you can see, from low to high, from high to low, etc. If your phone supports it, we even have the vibration motor in our phone that is enabled when we are managing these frequencies. As you can see here, we have 125 Hz and less. We have 250 Hz, 500 Hz, 100K, 200K, 2K, 4K, and 8K. As you can see, here we can see the names. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.